Hi! Mm. So, magulo yung kwarto ko. As you can see, magulo siya. Kasi umuwi ako ng bahay. For 1 week lang ako. 1 week lang ako nag-stay dito, be. By the way, ngayon, mag-clean lang tayo ng room at saka mag-impake because tomorrow I will be going to my school, which is the States, the Visayas State University. Kasi magpa-practicum na kami or mid-year class na namin sa Monday, Diyos ko. So, nag-vlog pa talaga ako. Pero, maglilinis talaga. Babe, bye! Let me explain lang kung bakit kami magsa-summer or may mid-year practicum. Well, that's in the prospectus na. So, kailangan namin siyang sundan. So, ayun. Yun lang naman. So, to enhance our skills in our agriculture, something. Kasi yun yung, MA, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. Kasi gusto ko maging farmer. Charot. Ayan lang. Sana ma-enjoy yung video na to. Ang tagal ko na hindi nag-upload. So, ayun. Nag-ayos lang naman ako ng kwarto bit, tapos nagtupi ng mga damit na kailangan kong dalhin. Well, malapit ako matapos. Nagtutupi pa ng mga gamit ko na kailangan ko talaga. And need kong dalhin for me to survive. Wala akong fashion sense pagdating sa school namin. Kasi yung school kasi namin, babe, ano siya, wala kami uniform in terms sa course ko. Kasi agriculture, tapos mag-uniform kami. No, it's too bad. That's a recipe for a disaster. Chok. Kasi tawag kasi bid mo. Good morning. So, ito na siya lahat. Ito yung mga dalhin ko bukas na mga shirt, except sa beddings ko. Kasi yung beddings ko, kailangan ko siya, linisan ko muna. Then, mag-prepare pa ako ng mga unan ko because I'm an unan person. Bet ko talaga yung mga madaming unan because madaming unan for me that's equal to a better sleep. Uy, better sleep. Joke lang yun. Kasi hindi naman talaga tutulong sa college, be. Ayun, yun lang naman ata. Then, I'm gonna prepare some of my essentials which no beauty. Pero then, samahan niyo ako, be, kung paano ako mag-skincare na ngayon. May background ako skincare, be. Oo, may background ako skincare. So, watch out. Well, I'm done prepping. So, nag-double cleanse lang ako, which I use the Lux Organics Gel Cleanser and the Salatec Hydration Facial Wash. Yun lang. Tapos may nagpumutok pang pimple. So, let's just pat dry this with this towel. So, make sure you use clean towel, ha? Sometimes naman, when I go late, like, it's already 12, mga ganun, I don't do skincare anymore. Kasi, I'm so tired na kasi mga time na yon. So, I don't do skincare. So, as per my toner, I'll be using this Celatec. Ayan, wait lang. Ayan siya. Celatec Hydration Alcohol-Free Toner. Ayan, yun siya. With hazel extract. Ito yung gamit ko. So, I'll be using this with yung kakahin-kahi lang. Because this is so moisturizing. Promise. So, let's just add na. So, magtitingin ako dito sa mirror. Are you watching me? Paras. Ayan. So, if you're asking why did I transfer my room? That's because my sister, why? Naging beauty vlogger ka, girl. Kasi yung sister ko, ginawa niyang study room, yung kwarto ko before. That kwarto also tends to be more mahangin, which is, there's yung init dyan. As in, nakakatulog ka pa talaga kahit tiwig na yung araw, yung mga 12, diba? Nakakatulog ka pa talaga dyan na you don't usually get sweat around that time. Ayun, ganun ka-airy or ka-fresh sa, sa kwarto ko before. But, that's fine since hindi naman talaga ako masyadong umuwi na. So, ayun. So, I understand. And next naman, after I dry, malibilis na talaga siyang matuyo as in super. I'll be using this Dr. Sensitive Niacinamide 5% and salicylic acid. So, this serum brightens up these pimple marks and also mga perfect na siya for my skin. But this is not a very perfect for me kasi once I stop using this, kasi meron talaga mga time na nagsistop ako sa skincare ko or like a month or two na magsistop ako sa skincare ko because I tend to get busy or may mga exams, then napapabayaan na yung skincare ko. And ang nakapangit pa dito, actually maganda yung formulation ng Dr. Sensitive, but the nakakapangit dito is yung packaging niya. The packaging itself is not giving. Pero, as for me, it's okay lang naman. It's fine. It's fine and all. Hindi lang po ako naglalagay sa face, but also ay naglalagay din po dito sa mga ilalim ng face ko because I have so many pimple marks here. So, kailangan i-correct. Wow, kailangan i-correct. Ayan, so, after that, eto na yung Lux Organics. Seika yung pagkabasa ko dito. Correct me if I'm wrong. Seika Smoothing Gel for the hydrating power. Hoy, Diyos ko. For ano lang, ito yung mga gel yung ginagamit ko. And yeah, 3-step lang talaga siya or 4-step kung kasama yung cleanse. Ayan. Pero pag may mga breakouts ako, like mga grabbing breakouts, this mga pimples na to, yun na to breakouts actually. Mga from the past. From mga exam ko to yung finals. So, here, itong mga fun, as I already treated this with the powder mud of Oxycure. So, nag-work naman siya for me, pero not all the time. So, I tend to switch a lot. I tend to switch from brands to brands. So, to find suit me better. Ayan, treated na tong mga pimples na to. So, that's fine na. So, let's just now, dry na kasi yung face ko. Let's now add the gel. Ayun. So, ito ba? Pwede naman ako maging beauty vlogger nito. Pa naman at my tumbler para diba to be myself hydrated, ganon. So, I think that would be all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll be updating ano siguro as my diaries somewhat. My college diaries, ganon. Oo, kasi I have so many videos here sa phone. So, why not, diba? So, that would be all for today. Bye-bye!